it ahead तो वहाँ रख नीचे रख सकते हैं या फिर वहाँ आगे आने को भी चलेगा.
आप आगे करोगे कैमरा आवाज़ आएगा या फिर यहाँ तक?
Thanking you all for supporting our donation drive here. And at Rules, we basically constantly endeavor to work towards the best interest of animals, as you all know, right? That's our objective, that's our motto, that's what we do. And giving back to the society basically, and the voiceless, in a voiceless way, is how we express our gratitude. We've always expressed our gratitude at Rules like that. We have a very special person today with us, Seema Sachde, a personality with empowering combination of qualities. Besides being a famous fashion designer and a reality show star, she's also an entrepreneur who's set to launch her own label, Y. Awesome, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, streetwear.
Yeah, that's streetwear. Okay, it's called Y. Why is it called Y? You have a logic to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lengthy explanation.
Okay, fine. We'll come back to that.
Yeah,
another
we're here
day.
for the doggies.
So Seema has carved a niche for herself in the entertainment industry, as well as her appearance in the famous Netflix series called Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives. Thank you so much, Seema, for being here with us today
Thanks.
and taking a part in this initiative with us.
I love it.
Seema's love for animals has always been evident as she continues to create awareness on pet welfare and wellness. We're extremely delighted to have her on board with us today on this journey that Rules has, and we admire her for her dedication to the cause. Let's have a round of applause for her.
Thank you guys.
So, Rules, Seema, is basically collaborating with you, as
Yeah.
you're aware of it, and we'll be donating about 3 months worth of pet food to World for All Animal Care Center. They are working towards, the adoption, fostering, rescue, medical treatment, rehabilitation of street animals, and your inception was in 2009.
That's right.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Wow,
been
so
been a long road.
It's been a long role, it's been a long journey, so
Yeah.
hats off to you for, the consistency, I should say.
Thank you.
Because we all try, but we all
Yeah.
give up at some point because
Yeah.
it's not easy.
It's
at
not
all.
easy to do this.
But
it's
that's
not
one thing
easy.
you learn from the animals,
You're running this awareness and education program specifically for the care and safety of stray animals.
True.
And your mission is to inspire coexistence between stray animals and the people of Bombay. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
Right. Hope, sir, that our contribution of 3 months worth of pet food together with Seema will contribute to your efforts to make the world a happy and a healthier place for the voiceless people.
Absolutely. Food is a
Yeah.
It's a
is
must.
a must. It's a good need, and healthy, lovely food like this.
Nutrition
is
for
always,
them
exactly.
they need it.
And what I really love is that y'all have come by, taken the effort to come by, meet them, spend time with them, and bond with them. It makes all the difference. Look at how happy and excited all the dogs
Yeah,
are.
I know, so sweet. It's a day out for them and a day out for us. So Seema, thank you so much.
Thank you. I just want to say that I am a animal lover. I'm a dog lover. I have grown up with dogs. I don't remember a time in my life when I've not had dogs. I've not had puppies. And I have to say that if you're blessed to have a puppy, a dog, a pet, they teach you unconditional love. You can actually, the meaning of love, you can only actually understand from a pet. That loyalty, that love that you get when you come home, nothing compares to it. Like really nothing can compare to it. And I think for every child today, most importantly, what a pet teaches you is empathy. And I think empathy is the need of the hour today, in today's world that we live in. And I think that the empathy that we learn from a pet, you can't compare that to being taught anywhere else. So today I'm here with Rules. I align with the brand. They have been tirelessly working towards the welfare of animals through all their different initiatives. And today's campaign is all about donating 3 months of food, nutrition and health for these lovely animals, voiceless, homeless, strays. And I would like all animal lovers out there to come and join us in this endeavor and make this world a better place for these voiceless, really lovable beings.
Absolutely. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. It's I think we all do love animals clearly. And we
Yeah.
all do a bit, but sometimes I think the objective of being here and talking to all you people is so that we kind of like maybe give you a push to do your bit. She's doing her bit.
Just a reminder.
It's
like
just a
Yeah,
reminder.
it's just a reminder. I know everyone gets caught up in life and, life gets in the way. But really, honestly, I think this is something it's just amazing. Just look at them.
Yeah.
I mean, I have nothing to say. There's so much they can express also and they feel also. And I think unless you're not on that, you don't understand. When you have a pet, you understand so much more even about life. They teach you like simple things, love and empathy being at the topmost.
Absolutely. Well said, Seema. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, should we go ahead and is there a check?
So they're not happy.
Do a feeding activity.
Sorry?
We can do a feeding activity. You need to come
Sure,
forward.
let's do a feeding.
I think so. As long as none of them is
No, you will be safe.
food. Why is he limping? So all the animals here come.
He is under treatment. They all come injured. They all come with grave accidents. We have 2 programs running out of here. One is the sterilization program. So there are some healthy dogs that get spayed, neutered, and then released. So they don't.
Release as treaties only, or you get them
See,
adopted?
if they come, we always try to find a feeder. If they get completely all right,
Home for them.
that's the thing. It's always nicer to. I've been to a lot of places.
She understood everything. She was a diva. She had so much of my personality. She would give it back to me only.
Okay.
Chalo, come. Should she be sitting here or you
No,
want
we'll
her?
just put it. I'll ask. We'll
Put 1 or
let
2
her put
bowls
the
down.
bowl
Yeah,
down and
give
then-
me now. As long as they don't like big dogs. But they are very. They look. Oh, look at this one.
बाजू में रखो तो
Yeah.
yes, please can you
I'll do that.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, so they fight with each other for it.
They're arguments.
I guess that's animal instinct. Yeah, animal instinct. Yeah, so that's good.
परत एकदा त्याची पॉटमध्ये घेऊन आहे ना इंडिव्हिज्युअली एक कुत्र्याला देतात
and another शाम को
आणि ते सगळे माईक
Come here. Come here.
She's guarding me.
He gave him also one. Oh, this is good. Double the amount.
Siva, can you take the bowl and keep
Yeah,
it
as
down?
soon as he gets her. I'm only afraid because these two
Okay,
are
you
into a
give it
fight.
to me in my hand and we'll
Yeah.
try food. Yeah, give it to me in my hand. No, doesn't work.
Doesn't work that.
Okay. Okay. Come eat.
आप यहाँ पे आ जाए ना प्लीज सेंटर में
आप जाएंगे पहले इनके बीच में अभी खाने के टाइम पे झगड़ते हैं ना
You can, if you want, one good idea is that if you're bored, you just put it here for him.
Yeah.
That way you don't have to bend or anything.
What happened? You're not hungry? You're not hungry?
That one's actually a hobby. You're not eating and not allowing her. Do you believe she's 16?
She's saying,
See your nutrition throughout, your exercise regime, hygiene, your anatomy, genital.
जनता पार्टी ने ना डन
Thank you so much.
हाँ जितना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव आपने लिया है बहुत से लोग नहीं जानते हैं ऐसे कुछ भी डॉग्स की हालत होते हैं क्या कहना चाहोगे आज के दिन
Can I speak in English?
हिंदी इंग्लिश एनीथिंग
I'd like to say that I'm completely overwhelmed. I'm completely like in awe of what is going on here. As in this shelter, World for All. It's something. It's such a good deed. They say do good deeds, but it's such a selfless thing to do for these animals because animals are such gentle. Actually, they're voiceless. They can't speak for themselves. And to see them in this condition, it breaks my heart, honestly. And I'm feeling it's a privilege to be here, to be a part of this, to actually contribute and to be aligned with Drools, which I think is doing such an amazing job.
I mean, I'm blown away.
Do you have a pet?
I do. I've always had pets. I've grown up with dogs, two of them. Now my mother has three. I have two. I just lost one 10 days ago. So this is a little bit more emotional for me than it would be. But because I know what they, like what they go through, I feel pets can, like I said, they teach you empathy. Like for a child growing up with a pet, it teaches you empathy that no school and nobody else can teach you. The way a pet can teach you, their loyalty, their love, they teach you the meaning of love. It's unconditional love. And it's so weird, like I'm asthmatic, so as you can see, I can't really, their saliva kind of gives me hives. But I have my dogs, they actually understand when I talk to them. I think they understand everything. They know when you're down, they know when you're happy. They when you're not well, they also take on your stress. They get sick. When they get sick, they say they take on their owner's stress. I completely, like, I'm an animal lover. I'm a dog lover. I'm waiting to get another one, to be honest. I'm really honestly right now feeling very emotional about all the halat of these dogs. It's very sad. It's very sad, and I'm glad that this is a small contribution towards millions of strays and homeless. But I think if everyone puts their foot forward and makes a small contribution, it's a drop in the ocean, but still it's towards the well-being of these voiceless animals. Really, they deserve it.
Although India got an Oscar for the two things, one is for RRR, second is for this Korean film. What you would like to say on that?
I think way to go. Indians are like, we are anyway on the map, but I think it's amazing, and I think it's completely well deserved.
Are we going to see many more surprises from your side? Any more projects of yours?
More projects I'm currently doing. I'm working on my own brand, and I'm also doing Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives, so you'll have to stay tuned for that one.
And lastly, any message to all the animal lovers?
I'd just like to say that what we are doing and what Drools is doing here today, and I completely align with them, and it's a privilege to be a part of this campaign. And I think for all animal lovers out there, if everyone does like even a little tiny bit, to help these animals, we are providing nutrition in any form or any which way, anyone to help these animals in any small way, I think it will contribute. They say now that every drop makes an ocean. So the more people that come out to support, yeah, it will help. And they deserve it. They really do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. So I'm also going to plug in this. Just like streetwear these days is very fashionable, being compassionate towards our street animals is also very trendy.
Thank you.
Thank you.